In the heart of Spring Hill, Tennessee, where progress is the game's name, one company stands out for efficient waste management solutions: Do-It-Yourself Dumpsters DYD LLC. Welcome to Do-It-Yourself Dumpsters DYD LLC, your premier choice for dumpster rental in Spring Hill, Tennessee. Whether tackling a small home renovation project or overseeing a large-scale construction job, we have the perfect dumpster size for you. At Do-It-Yourself Dumpsters DYD LLC, we understand the importance of prompt and reliable service. That's why we offer same-day delivery and flexible pickup options, ensuring your project stays on track without unnecessary delays. But what sets us apart from the competition isn't just our top-notch equipment and speedy delivery, it's our unwavering dedication to customer satisfaction. We go above and beyond to make the dumpster rental process seamless, providing personalized assistance at every step. As dedicated members of the Spring Hill community, we prioritize eco-friendly practices, such as responsible waste disposal and recycling, to preserve our natural surroundings. Ready to get started? Visit our website at www.diydumpsterstn.com Dumpster Rental Spring Hill TN, or call 615-290-2029 to get started today. Your project deserves the best. Choose Do-It-Yourself Dumpsters DYD LLC for all your waste management needs.